All right, welcome back to my channel. So I am here to give you an update of this guy called Udele, his activities and his attack on Igbo people. Many of you know him. In fact, everybody from Igbo land, from Biafra land, can tell you that this guy is looking for how to murder and buy everybody. Although we have few people in Eastern Power that is working with. I'm not here to call for his head, but to remind you his recent activities. I saw a post made by N9ja complaining about him as well, and he said a lot of things about him, which we are going to go through everything. And you can see him dressed in a military or security uniform, heading to Imo State to, of course, point hands on some people on an attempt to deal with the Biafrans, with the Igbo people, his so-called enemy. We are going to release to everything. And before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. Why I'm bringing this, because we need to understand, I'm one of those that believe that sometimes we are our own problem. We are just eager to sell ourselves out and thinking that we are doing the right thing. It is unfortunate, very, very unfortunate. Please pay attention to this, because I have a post here for you to go, for us to go through it. This post is made by N9ja, okay, and another person shared it, of course, on X, of which we are going to see everything here. Now, I said everyone knows that Udele speaks was banished from his community, and he can never enter there again, even his corpse. The only reason he is doing what he's doing to fight the Igbos is because his employers gave him a free apartment in Abuja, of which any day he stops, he would be homeless. Now, hear from N9ja. Okay, just let me take it for again. Start from beginning. Start from beginning.
This video, how many days ago, somebody called my attention to it, and I did say and I was so bagaragan or Narante Umaburume, Allah and Umaburume, another neighboring village to Umapranyam. And also Pagaro Moama, Gao Moama, Narande village, Allah. Now, for so Hakahasa, Akupo, Yemen Kak, Yemen Koso. Cogidi, and when this boy not go for home, of course, when you're on this space, I'm on this boy, where you go, and the Hagaman at this boy, I'm only about war, on social media. One money every day, one money this is 2021. One money this is being used by enemies of Rosopa in 2021. Where we draw all this insecurity in Imo State. And I was saying, don't kill innocent people. And I was saying, do not kill innocent people, even when you are killing the one who got a non-gunman. I was standing against any extrajudicial killing. They recruit to these idiots. Udele, Umudu, Amanduba, Misu LGA. They recruit to against me. He was moving from one radio station to Imo State. They were paying him. He was moving from one radio station to Imo State, from one radio to another in Imo State. Abari in the village. Abari Omuye. This is a full also. Really, I got the IPOB in a thought. I join an IPOB. Baturia, Yalotazia. I want to say against IPOB. Nobody I told them, I am not a member of IPOB. I am not here who for Biafra. No mega non-government who know I'm a human rights activist. I defend the rights of the people. And of course, while defending the rights of the people, some people are going to be happy. It doesn't concern me. And I have kept telling our people, at the end of the day, God to battle him here, you will lose. You will lose. You will lose. So onye ọbụla bụrụle problem ya bụrụ ala ọsọga bụrụ ihe ga ụmụọma dị ikpe ala nọ na court ala ekpechagburula ekpecha ka ịhụ gbasara akwara gị. I keep telling our people. So for this idiot, efulefu anụ ntam ewu Gambia nwa abụrụ ọnụ nwa ụmụ duru Amanduba abụrụ ọnụ n'isu, go to their house. Ị ga-ahụ otu ụlọ ha dị. Gaa n'ụlọ ha kpakọrọ ụlọ. Agụ amampụrụ ya n'iwu n'obodo ha. This guy N9ja was rejected in their community. He was ostracized in their community because of Pompo Arorana, their family member. You know, he won, he got married on Sompa. He won, he did against the Sompa of the people. He had married Imo State, the free. After Imo State, the free. Trials and persecutions over Imo State. It was here. Him and Norana Bujadia said to a camera, we know. At 50 years, you look at why. At 50 years, when which? At 50 years, you went the one block. At 50 years, he knows. Or said to a camera, we know. You are not my class. You are not. You do Hong Kong more. You do Hong Kong. You better. He will flave. I cannot be seen battling here to clear the air about here flave. I can't battle West with him. You know. I can't battle West with him. He's a useless man. The guy is useless. Even in their community. Tragedy and Amanduba. Like I it from olden days, that the community, the family, is very useless. You know? So it is not a new thing. This generation, my keep as well. They will talk about another person being useless and that family. That would this Udele. You know? So, yeah, when we get that story, when I will come for you, that story, when I will come for you, you will bring them. And when I get that story, when I will come for you, you will bring them.
All right, that is from N9ja. And this is not just a kind of not a threat, but he's just making his stand based on the banter from this guy called Udele. And it did not end there. Next thing we are seeing is that Udele made a video talking about N9ja and bragging that he's here. You know him, his normal way, right? I don't want to say much. I want you to be the one to watch it yourself. I'm gonna bring it up now so that you see for yourself. And let's hear him. Let's hear him because he's already here. Listen. I wanted to. This is Udele. Okay, he made this video talking about responding to what N9ja said there.
First, I want to respond to the man. I heard he was saying already that anything that happened in N9ja, they should hold me responsible. Yes, hold me responsible for everything I will do in N9ja. Because this has gotten too much. And since he wants to discuss N9ja, we will start the discussion with that land matter he's denying that they want to steal the land. Like I told you people, we are going to be on that land, measure it, and we will confirm from actually they wanted to steal that land, if not because of our intervention. And he's saying anything that happens in Israel. How about the ones that happened already? The ones we are coming here to expose. That they see our camp. I'm happy we have so many geologists in Aniba, so many geologists in Nigeria. When we start excavating those graves, those shallow and deep graves, they dug and were putting people in there. Let the geologists.
I'm trying to see if I can remove the write-up, because if I did not do that, it's not gonna make sense. Okay, I'm trying to see if it's possible like this, or it's not possible. It's not possible. So I'm gonna take it down and start again. Just permit me, because we must get it right. You have to get it right. You have to get it right. I don't know why it's like that. Just a moment. All right, let's continue. Please use this opportunity and hit like button or share it. Share the video.
Things I want to tell you people. Right now we are to Umuno. I don't want to show the background because I don't want these people to know the exact place we are to know now. But you want to look at the background. You see this is Umuno, and they have so many countries, just like every other place in Imo State. First, I want to respond to the man on Sumpa. I heard he was saying on radio that anything that happened in Umuno, they should hold me responsible. Yes, hold me responsible for everything that we do in Umuno. Because this has gotten too much. And since he wants to discuss Umuno, we will start the discussion with that land matter he's denied that they want to steal the land. Like I told you people, we are going to be on that land, measure it, and I don't want to show the background because I don't want these people to know the exact place we are to know now. But you want to look at the background. You see, this is Umuno, and they have so many countries, just like every other place in Imo State. First, I want to respond to the man on Sumpa. I heard he was saying on radio that anything that happened in Umuno, they should hold me responsible. Yes, hold me responsible for everything that we do in Umuno. Because this has gotten too much. And since he wants to discuss Umuno, we will start the discussion with that land matter he's denied that they want to steal the land. Like I told you, we are going to be on that land, measure it, and you will confirm from the people that actually they wanted to steal that land, if not because of our intervention. And he's saying anything that happens. How about the ones that happened already? The ones we are coming here to expose. That they see on camp. I'm happy we have so many geologists in Aniba, so many geologists in Nigeria. When we start excavating those graves, those shallow and deep graves, they dug and were putting people in there. Let the geologists tell us how the soil that we are going to bring out, where the last time those soil came in contact with oxygen, then we know the people that have been here all that while. So, my people, we are not going to be afraid of them. No amount of propaganda, no amount of evidence will stop us from investigating all the atrocities. We are here to stay. Not some in Imo State, choose the radio station, choose time location, I don't care. We will come and discuss it. Let's just say this thing to the hearing of the people. It's not about staying one corner and making problems. And as for you, you will come and explain where I was an IPOB member and the IPOB money you said I embezzled. Other than that, you are going to see me in a different way. I heard that your mother has left Umuno. Your mother, if she didn't commit any atrocity, I had to call her Mama Biafra. If she didn't commit any atrocity, I don't know why she's running away from the hand of justice. And some of all those DSS members, I heard that they're taking their families away. People have not started running. People only remember one. Then secondly, I want to address the N9ja issue. If you actually believe that Fulani yes men will come to N9ja and do that thing, you are so stupid. Go and check all the videos they will be making. Remember when Gentle told people that when they go there to buy people, they should speak Hausa for them, and one person will interpret it in English to make it look like Fulani attack. Where will they come from and where will they escape from? Abia people, the last time they said they saw explosives near a church, and we are leaving you people as you do this, you are arranging just the way there. As you do this, you are arranging nonsense. You are doing in the name of trying to frame the flag. It will not work. No, all these things will come past them. You think we have goldfish mentality? To goldfish play. We have a much longer attention span. So you can use this Biafra and your propaganda against people. You see that we are going to come there and do the investigation. And we have come in Imo State, we have come in Imo State. After Imo, Abia will be next. I don't care if your governor is romancing you people, he has no power to stop us from coming to run our investigation. We'll be running on the site investigations. As you can see, Umunoha is a bit calmer now. They are not going to ask them, let their boys show us who they are in this room, and they go here and they go collect them. You understand? And being the person, the many of them don't even know me because they are not on social media. They don't even get this right information. So, my people, this is the update I want to give to you people. We will keep probing, we will keep moving in, and we will cover every inch of Imo State. First off, I want to thank the Imo State Governor, Senator Uzodimma, for your job well done, for not listening to all these criminals, for not giving in to their blackmail. I know so many people will be making calls for the withdrawal of Udele and his people from Imo State. It will not happen. It will not work. And also, we thank the brigade commander of F0rces artillery. We also thank the DSS director, Imo State. We can see it's changing. It's doing kind of what we've been waiting for. Thank you, sir, for your cooperation and for everything you are doing. Tiger News, we salute you people. We thank you for your wonderful work. Please keep going after all these criminals. This has to stop. One way or another, we need to put a stop to it. And for you hopeless politicians that are using these guys, like I told you, una go collect. You dey hear me? Una family go collect. This one will be like send them, they go born people out, go born on our own. Not be all this one, not say we go do our video and we will listen for. We are not going to be behaving like this side movie that will be coming at night. No, we will record every single thing. Everything will be on record, and whatever we do to you, we explain to you how. That is if you be allowed to debate that issue with us. As for the good people, you have nothing to fear. All the good people in Rome will not have. Go about your businesses. As for all those evil people, you people know our message for you people, and we are going to connect it. Thank you, my people. Today is February 17, right? Today is February 17, Tuesday, February 17, 2026. We are going to be giving you updates every now and then. Thank you, my people, and stay blessed.
Now, this is Udele. The video is not all that favorable because it's quite noisy, and we have to manage it that way because I try my best to play it in a better format, but the thing did not allow me to do it better than this, so I have to manage it this way. You can see the threats. You heard everything he said there. He heard everything he said there, and the target is not only on one person, on different peoples. So many people. This guy has stepped on their toes, and he keep on bringing it the more because nobody have ever challenged him. In Imo State, it's just like on his palm. He bragged. He heard what he said. He can get anywhere. The governor don't have any right to stop him. The governor of a state don't have right to stop him. And these are people who believe in Nigeria and everything, but they still have this kind of guy yapping nonsense, claiming what he's not. Imagine that. You can imagine the audacity. Imagine the audacity. There's something he said that I want to bring to your attention. He says something that he said that he's not a member of IPOB. That when he's gonna drag Nosongwa to show him when he's an IPOB member that. Wow, that is gonna be interesting. But the truth is that when he was in Turkey, he have worked and have attended the IPOB meeting. In fact, he's a member. But the recent post, because I'm coming to that, I will search for the word of the video to back what I just said up. before I end the video. Read this screenshot. I shared it with us on our live program last night. He said, "May victory be ours this day. We must rescue Osu. Odumeje's house already taken. MTN Max too. We are going nowhere. We will give them hell." Now he said there are good people, good people. Just go about your duties. Don't mind, everything is okay. But one of the communities that him and his group have visited. They are not only by burning people's house, they have taken Max. Yes, he don't use the word burning. He said taking the house. What does that mean? Taking house, you can put the house in the pocket, but there is either they have demolished it or burn it or something like that. They have done something terrible in that house. He used his own word at this post and said that he's going to give them hell. That alone should tell you all you need to know. Now, this is the kind of person that some people don't want to, call out and question his activities in Igbo land. When you talk, they say you are looking for problem. Oh, leave him and leave that and all that. But those who know, of course, know. Just a moment. So, like I told you, just for clarity's sake, I want you to hear this.
Against IPOB, against Indigo, you are a saboteur. How can I sabotage my own people? Anigo, Bokamonia Kebe, Mbosobu no. Na-eche mbọsọ ọbụla ihe ọbụla m ga-eme mejọ ndị Igbo or any black race. Ụmụ m recognize para m as their father.
Ise.
Ihe a bụ highest mmadụ ga-anwụrụ onwe ya. Ịghọtago? Ihe a bụ highest mmadụ ga-anwụrụ onwe ya. Ọ ihe na-eji ụmụ m ahụ. Adị m asị ụmụ m nwụọ ka onye ọbụla na-aṅụ ihe ahụ ka ọ na-aṅụ. Eji m onwe m ahụ. And the worst thing that could happen to a father no one he just said that's their father. But so when I'm making do anything against me, just one man their father.
He say
so natural it are the misconception. People know I want to criticize the policy. And they criticize this and that this tactic against all that work. Not generally that they criticize the actualization of Biafra. Nigeria brought on the mama. I wouldn't be here. Na Nigeria. But since 19 now that work. But I have to say it, man. I'm going to criticize that some things. No, that's not me.
not every dog that is hot.
Now, this is when N9ja said he is a member of IPOB. He have worked with IPOB, that he ran away because of money issue and all that. This is him in the meeting. And I'm not saying that being in a meeting is a sin or that he deserves to criticize, but a man that reported finger on IPOB members sabotaging and killing people is pretend that he never for once be a member of IPOB, or he don't even associate himself to that. From day one, he tried to make it look like he's not. But look at him here. You understand? Listen. We need to understand every move we make in life. What does that mean? Do you know the definition of a move? This move you are making, do you know the definition of that? He said here that he sworn, which I don't see that swearing as anything serious, because that swear or that oath is just little minor thing. In fact, it's nothing to compare the atrocities that he's committing, sabotaging or getting back at IPOB. If you know, you know. Please, I'm going to end it here. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about all of this course so far. Are you in support or not in support? What is your take? Do you agree or you don't agree? Let me hear from you on the comment section. God bless you and take care of yourself. Make sure you share this video. Very, very important. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.